Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and I want to thank you so much for considering becoming a channel member. And I want to take a couple of minutes of your time and quickly explain to you what the channel membership entails. Now, let's jump right in and start with your benefits, because being a channel member has a ton of benefits in it for you. For example, you get exclusive tutorials. You get exclusive classes and workshops. You get instant access to a full library with over 50 classes and more being added all the time. You have live craft alongs that are exclusive, game nights, early access to public videos. You get discounts on kits and products, and you also get coupons. And we're going to cover those here in just a few. I'm going to talk a little bit more about those too. You also get early access to promos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, bonus tickets into weekly giveaway jars, free gift cards, yes, free, and free digitals, and so much more. Now, talking about the coupons and the discounts, every month we offer all kinds of different perks along with benefits, coupons, and freebies. Those alone, with those monthly coupons and discounts, are enough to cover your membership, to have it pay for itself. So in essence, you're getting a free membership with all of those perks included. So don't forget to enjoy your benefits and use up those coupons, and also all of the savings that we give to our channel members. Now, simply put, also, your membership is a way to support the channel, to support content creators like us that bring you quality content. Our tutorials take time to film. There's hours of editing, supplies, equipment, paid programs to achieve an appealing and cohesive video. Behind every video that you see, there are hours and hours of prep work, and your membership, which starts at just $2.99, which is a lot less than a cup of coffee, can make a huge difference to us. So thank you for being a patron to the arts when you join and become a member. Okay, now lots of benefits. We could go into tons more, but I'm going to cover really quickly, how do you join? Because I know that that is one of the questions that we get asked all the time. So simply just look at the button, the join button here down below. Now, click on that and it will open up the levels. So each level unlocks additional benefits. The higher the level, the more benefits and perks for you. Choose the level that is right for you, and don't forget that your membership is a flat fee. So everything I mentioned is included. There are no surprises, and you can cancel at any time. Now, another bonus that I forgot to mention and I should cover is that being a channel member gives you instant access to all of that bonus content right here, right on this YouTube channel. You don't need to go anywhere else. You do not need to log into another site and remember or create a new password, or maybe look for emails from weeks ago, months ago, maybe a year ago for a class that you purchased. You do not need to do any of that. It's all right here. The moment you sign up, the bonus content will open up and show up for you. So no extra steps. We make it nice and easy. We really hope you will become a member. Click on the join button and then start enjoying your benefits right now.